Ever find yourself brushing off those annoying white flakes off your shoulder? Yes, we're talking about dandruff. This pesky problem is actually dead skin cells from your scalp, which can be caused by dry skin, sensitivity to hair products, or a yeast-like fungus. And if you're feeling a bit self-conscious about it, don't. It's more common than you might think. In fact, it affects almost half of the adult population at some point. It's a common issue, but the good news is that there are natural remedies you can try at home. Now, let's dive into the world of natural remedies that can help you combat dandruff. First, we have apple cider vinegar, a natural astringent that can help shed dead skin cells and balance the pH level of your scalp, warding off yeast overgrowth that can trigger dandruff. You can simply dilute it with water and apply it to your scalp. Let it sit for a few minutes, then rinse. Next up is tea tree oil, known for its potent antifungal properties. It can tackle the fungus responsible for dandruff. A few drops mixed with a carrier oil like jojoba or coconut oil, massaged into your scalp, can do wonders. Speaking of coconut oil, it's not just for cooking. It's a natural moisturizer that can help soothe a dry, itchy scalp and reduce flaking. Just apply it directly to your scalp, let it sit for about half an hour, and then rinse it out. Then there's aloe vera, a healing plant that can soothe inflammation and reduce itchiness. Simply apply pure aloe vera gel to your scalp and let it sit for about 15 minutes before rinsing. Last, but certainly not least, is baking soda. This kitchen staple can act as a gentle exfoliant, removing dead skin cells and reducing oil production. Just make a paste with water, apply it to your scalp, massage, and rinse. These remedies are not only easy to use but also kind to your scalp and hair. Before we wrap up, remember these key points about natural dandruff remedies. First, natural treatments are not one size fits all. You may need to experiment a bit to find the remedy that works best for you. This could be tea tree oil, apple cider vinegar, or even aloe vera. Second, patience is key. While these remedies are indeed effective, they do not offer instant relief. Expect to see improvements over a period of time, not overnight. And third, consistency is crucial. Make sure to apply these remedies regularly for the best results. Also, it's worth noting that while these remedies can help manage dandruff, they are not a complete cure. If your symptoms persist or worsen, it's always a good idea to consult a healthcare professional. Remember, a healthy scalp leads to healthy hair. So, start your journey towards a dandruff-free life today.